I got very few things in my life that are unmodified, and I don't know how people live without modifying things. So this chair over here, the back, it's too low, and this is just a regular chair, and I like, but the back is too low, so it's hitting my shoulders over here. This is a gaming chair. This shoulder part over here, it's a little bit, maybe, I'm a little bit too tall, I'm 6'2", so for somebody that's a little bit shorter than I am, then it's perfect. Even at 6'2", it's comfortable, but it's maybe a little bit on the short side. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna raise it over about 4 inches. It's gonna be perfect. But again, some people just live without doing this kind of stuff, and they just have to suffer through a chair that is not perfect for their body. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this little piece of metal over here. So the bracket initially was in this hole, and this hole was here. So I raised it this much, and I'm gonna add this bracket over here, and this should reinforce the back of the chair. You would think I would do them with the most expensive tools out there, but I'm doing them all by hand. Hand drills and drill bits that I bought from Harbor Freight. So I'm not even using expensive tools that people just don't have access to. Okay, so the hole seems to be a line. Let's put this in and see what's gonna happen. And here it is. So what happened is I have this much gap at the bottom, which I like because there's no dirt and dust and crap gather over there. And now it's taller. So when I sit on it, right? Before, look at my shoulders, you see? Now they're fitting perfectly in the seat. It still goes down. It still goes up, right? And this was 4 inches lower, so imagine this was like here. So the pillow was not in the right place, but now it's in the right place. This is amazing. So this works great. Look at this. See, my shoulders are like right where they need to be. I don't know how people live without these skills. Thanks for watching. Vegas Romaniac out.